Whether the Code 3 DTEC rotators were effective at all is up for some level of debate. However, I think it's pretty well agreed that they aren't that effective at higher speeds. So I set out recently to take my DTEC 420 beacon, seen here, and slow it down a bit for the sake of a little bit better color definition like this. So what I did was swap out the bases of the rotators with slower rotators. That way they weren't flipping around quite so fast. The difference is not amazing, but it is certainly a lot less of a blur in my opinion. Can compare it here back to the fast version. And again, they're both kind of blurry, but the fast is certainly, in my opinion, way worse of a purple blur. Slow again, I think looks significantly less like a purple blur. The question with DTEC rotators has, again, always been, are they effective at all? And are they worth the potential problems with them? They flaked off a bit. This is the second series DTEC rotator with the black ends holding the two film pieces of rotator together. The originals were very prone to delamination. Even these, which are practically new, I find little flakes of the material from the inside of the rotator inside of them sometimes, so I can't imagine they're going to hold up forever. Basically, slowing it down was my first goal, and this video is mostly footage of that. I think the next project I may try with them is to try to synchronize the rotators so that they flash like colors at the same time. I think that may go a long way to making them less of a purple blur. Code 3 did have a way that they synchronized rotators in bars that called for it, even after the independent halogen rotators came out, if you will. I don't know if I'm going to stick these on the rotating assemblies of a different type of light bar. The aerodynamic, a mini aerodynamic could work. The belt drive XL or SD could work. Or I could just do what they did, which is run a metal bar between the worm gears so that they are stuck turning together. Essentially pinning them in a state of synchronization. I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to do it. I might employ some 3D printing to make the joining effect there, but regardless, I think when they do sync up, they look significantly better. Even without being synced, the difference between the fast and the slow was pretty striking to me. But either way, enjoy some footage of these Code 3 DTEC rotators slowed down to a point of possibly being an effective, if not a little gimmicky product. Couple more seconds of footage here, so enjoy and have a great day. Thanks.